a quick update here on that gas, gold and crude oil. I'm going to go through silver today as well. So starting with natural gas. Right here, yes, we have a possible double bottom pattern. Price did reject it from this rejection box right here in the yellow. So as at this point, technically we have a valid pattern. We do have a 382 candle, a bullish pressure, and now I want to see this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, and we do have an RSI divergence as well. So that is what I'm looking at for natural gas. Technically it's bullish, and I'm expecting a push up out of natural gas. From here, if we have this candle closed as bullish engulfer, then we have a very good signal that price will likely to push up from here, and targets will be 180. Now if the price dramatically falls and breaks and close below this low, in that case we will have a continuation downwards, a signal that price wants to continue to push down in a trend. So keep an eye here. Technically it looks bullish to me, looking at the RSI divergence and looking at the rejection at the double bottom pattern. All you need to see a complete engulfing pattern right here. This pin bar would be an also a valid signal. I want to see a better entry, which will be this bullish engulfing candle. So that is it I'm looking at for net gas. Keep an eye here. Let's check gold. Right, gold is now pushing up. We did a live yesterday, and in my live session I've talked with the traders. It was fun, and I'm planning to do it tomorrow as well, as I don't upload videos on Friday. So that is what I'm looking at, to come live tomorrow and we can do some analysis together. So looking at that, price is now pushing up. Mentioned yesterday that technically we are bullish, but looking at the fundamentals, I was expecting a push down, which we did not. That is why I love to trade technically, because all the technical traders combine things that the price of gold should be higher, because we did not have a break and close below the previous low. Looking at that, technically the price wants to push up, and now pushing up towards the first top, and that is what I'm looking at, a rejection at the first top and then sell from here. A valid double top pattern I'm looking at. Once the price hit this rejection zone, just mark your box here the way I show you, from the top wick to the bodies, and right here wait for the price to hit this box, and then a possible rejection with a red candle will be your sell signal for gold. Targets will be 180R. So just look for bearish condition from this area. Full area is 1990, goes up to 2005, a zone from where I look for another sell trade. Let's check silver. Right here, by the way, we had a nice valid condition pattern with this engulfing candle right here, and price did pushed up out of silver. And this was a zone I've sent last 2 weeks ago, I guess, in the commodity zones reports. Okay, with the power of editing, I have done the zone for silver, the resistance zone. Color should be red for me, and this should be green. Yeah, I like it like that. So we have a zone up there. Price is approaching this zone. If we have a pullback, we can get a few candles pullback, and then the price can continue to push up. And if the price just keep on pushing up and hit this next level, this level is 23.53, goes up to 24.19, a zone from where we are going to enter our sell trades, only with one of the entry condition engulfers or my double top entry pattern. So have these zones on your charts. When the price hit this zone, you can go and take your sell trades with conditions. Let's check crude oil. Right, so crude oil has pushed up out of my zone and is now pushing up and above 50 and 20 EMA. Price is now in the trend continuation zone, and this zone is from 70.57 goes up to 72.43. If I see some sort of bearish condition here, bearish engulfers or my double top within this zone, then I will look for my sell condition. If not, if you have a push up, pullback, bullish engulfer, I will still go long, and I will use 180R for my target. So I look for both conditions here. This is the decision zone, and price is above 50 EMA and in the zone as well. So that is why buy condition, then I will go for a quick buy, exit, and look for another sell condition within this zone as a double top or bearish engulfer. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.